Alright guys, so we're back from doing some roll races again. So I took some of the people's comments that I'll show here of what they were saying that I should do in my car, since the Veloster beat me basically in every race. Most people said to shift earlier at, like, I don't know the numbers, like 6200, 6000, 5800, something like that in third gear. And so I did all that stuff and it doesn't really make a difference. So I went and looked at the torque curves of both the Veloster N and the Focus ST, and I will show them here. So on the Focus ST, the torque curve drops more significantly than the Veloster N's curve. The Veloster N's curve kind of stays constant once you reach peak torque, and I believe that is the sole reason why the Veloster N pulls ahead all the time, especially in fourth gear. Basically, once John gets to fourth gear, my car is going to always be behind him no matter what. So yeah, so that was pretty fun doing some redos of those roll races. So there was also a few comments telling me to run a real tune in the Focus ST, and I will admit I am running the off-the-shelf Stage 2 COBB 91 Octane tune, which most of the car community seems to agree that it's not very good. But that is what is on the car, and that's what was ran against the Veloster N. The Veloster N is completely stock. But yeah, I've seen some people telling me to run an actual tune, get a customized tune, and I have been planning on doing that for a while, and I'm going to be doing it probably in the next video. I'll have the custom tune on there. And for the fun of it as well, is I'm going to go with Stratified and run their Pops and Crackles tune, just to show you guys what that sounds like. I personally am not a fan of the Pops and Crackles, but I'm going to get it just for the fun of it, run it for a little bit, and probably take it off. I'm also gonna get a E30 tune on the Focus, so we'll see what kind of power gains we get out of that. I've heard you get quite a bit more torque, which is really cool. But those will be in upcoming videos, and that's gonna be it for this one. So yeah, thanks everybody for watching. Please like, comment, consider subscribing to the channel. It'll help out a ton, and catch you guys in the next one. See ya.